Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe, no going out. Whatever you're doing, do it at home. So, in today's video, it is going to be yet another skincare. If you have been watching my videos, I have been doing a lot of skincare videos and skincare shots because we are not going anywhere out. But skincare is a must. You stay home, you go out, no matter what. Skincare have to be there in your everyday routine. So, I insist on that and do take care of your skin. This is the right time when you're staying at home. You can pamper yourself with a lot of nice and rich products and give some nice time for your skin to breathe in without makeup. So I personally recommend you to take a good care of your skin. So without any further delay, let's get started. So if you're wondering what kind of skincare product that I'm going to wear, I'm going to talk about, yes, it is a skincare product from the brand Dot & Key. There were a lot of other products which I was obsessed to buy from Dot & Key. I actually got that as a compliment this time, so I'll show you what I got. But the product is a new launch from the house of Dot & Key. Dot & Key is a skincare from India. It is a very clean brand. They didn't use parabens, sulfates and silicones as the base products or preservatives. They are too good, they are very clean, and they have sustainable products. So and it is 100% dermatologically tested. So all these things about the product really invited me to buy them. And this is a new launch from the Dot & Key house. This is the PHA plus Bakuchiol Daily Peel Resurfacing Milk Serum. This is how the packaging looks like. It is a very nice lavender, light purple kind of packaging, and the packaging is very luxurious. It just looks like a book, and it just looks so luxurious. And there's a bottle here. It's a glass bottle with the dropper, and this is how the packaging looks from the inside, and from the outside it's a very cute packaging. I love the packaging. And coming to the product, it's a glass bottle, and it comes with a very nice dripper though, so you can just take out the product and use it on your face. So coming to the product, the product is actually a chemical peel or a chemical exfoliatant. Yes, though it says that it is a daily peel, I don't think you have to use a chemical exfoliant every day, but this is very mild, and it is particularly for sensitive skin, people who have sensitive skin. So that's how it works. So it says that it can be used as a daily peel to resurface your skin. So yeah, coming to the point of what it does to the skin is actually it's kind of retinol present in this product, because AHA and BHAs are something which is a chemical exfoliant active ingredients present, and it exfoliates our skin, removes the dead skins, and stimulates the skin and makes the skin more plumpier, hydrated, and it regenerates your skin. So this is how actually the chemical peel exfoliants work. But PHA is something which is meant for sensitive skin. It is a polyhydroxy acid plus bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is nothing but retinol. It's a natural plant-based retinol. So I have to tell you about this particular product. They haven't used a direct retinol. It's a chemical-based product. They have instead used bakuchiol, which is a plant-based retinol. So I told you about the main ingredient, that is the bakuchiol. PHA is a chemical exfoliant, that is a polyhydroxy acid. Apart from that, they do have certain products which are really good for your skin. So let me tell you about those. And it says that they have the goodness of botanicals such as aloe vera juice, chamomile and white tea to calm the irritation, and they do have hyaluronic acid, works as a hydrating power. So together this concoction is something which is super duper good to give you that even toned youthful complexion. So this is what the main ingredients present in this product. So PHA is gentler than AHA and BHA, so that's how it works on our skin. If you ask me, have they mentioned anything about the percentage of how much PHA is used? I don't think so, but they do have an ingredient list mentioned here, and they do have shown you how to use it and how many drops or something they have given. You can use it 3 to 5 drops. This is what the claim is about. How did I feel like when I use this product is like I did not use it every day. I used it alternate days. So it was like per week I used 3 times. So I just took 2 to 3 drops and just patted it on my skin, apart from here and on the lids, here and here. That's it. So just pat it, don't massage it. It's just serum, so it just absorbs in your skin in just few seconds. Yeah, what I felt like, yeah, I felt a really renewed kind of skin in the morning. But it gave me a lot of, dehydrating kind of thing, because I felt like more drying in the morning. I didn't know how much percent is the hyaluronic acid present here, but I didn't feel it is like very hydrating as a dry skin person, because I do have too much of dryness over here, this place. And it did not sting, it did not give any kind of irritation. And I did not apply it on above any of the product. I just cleansed my face, that is washed my face, and then applied the serum. And then I left it for around 1 hour, and then before the bed I applied the night cream and just slept. So this is how I use the product. But I didn't go for the daily peel, though it is very mild chemical peel, but I didn't want it to take chances. And I don't want to overdo on the skin. Skin can react very badly when you overdo skincare. Never do that. Skincare is a routine though, but don't lather on things, and don't try too many things at a time. Give some time for the skin to breathe in and accept the things which you keep. Of course it needs food, it should not be overdone. Overeating is bad for health. The same thing, if you do too much on your skin, it can react really bad. So it did not sting, or it did not give any kind of irritation, but I didn't feel like that hydration in the product is sufficient for my dry skin. Apart from that, I really felt a brightened look in the morning, plumpier. Yes, is a plant derived retinol, which takes time to show changes. Maybe you need to work on it by applying really little more on time. So maybe you can see difference by only 3 to 4 weeks, or even more than that. So when you are applying this kind of plant-based or natural ingredient-based products, slow down, the process will be slowing down. You will not see changes very quickly, so you need to give time for your skin to settle down, and try to use the whole product if it really works, and only then you can see the actual difference or changes in your skin. That is what I personally felt when I try out new products each and every time. You have to give time for the products to work on your skin, or else I don't think that really works good on your skincare routine. See, makeup is something you can just judge the product by one stroke. Either it is a lipstick or a foundation or anything for that matter, but skincare needs time for it to settle down on your skin. See how your skin accepts the product and how it reacts after a week, or maybe after 10 days. But if the product is really irritant, and stop using it, don't use the product after that. So I have used this product for just 15 days now. Maybe I have used like 6 to 7 times altogether, but I really felt there is a change in my skin in the morning. But I have to use this at least for a month to see the difference or change in my skin. That's it about the product. I personally felt this is a good product for the people who think AHA and BHAs are too much for the skin. Try this PHA, which is a polyhydroxy acid, which is very light and very mild on, and it is particularly for sensitive skin. Though it claims to have a daily peel, use it alternative days, don't use it daily. As I told, skincare must not be overdone either. So actually, let's see what the claim is all about. A gentle skin peeling solution formulated with polyhydroxy acid for the sensitive skin. This is what it is. It is a leave-on milk serum. It is gentle peeling solution, and it is suitable for sensitive skin. So if it is a leave-on, and if it is something which works for your skin and it has hydroxy acids, then prefer to use these products only in the nighttime skincare routine. Using this in the morning kind of maybe have a lot of reactions when it is exposed to sun. All these active ingredients, we don't know how they react with sunlight or direct sunlight or in the daytime. So it's best to use it on in the nighttime skincare routine, so that you can really feel and leave in the serum to work very gently on your skin throughout the night to give that real effect in the morning. So I personally prefer all this kind of active ingredients, peeling, chemical peels, serums, all this in your nighttime skincare PM skincare routine. And this retails for $9.95. It has 30 ml of product, and it is available in most of the e-commerce sites. I bought it from Nika, and yeah, I do have got two complimentary products for this. It is the Dot and Key. I wanted to buy the full size of this product. It is a Dot and Key Skincare Glow Sleep Mask, Vitamin C Overnight Radiance Recovery, and I do have another Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. So this is a pink clay mask, and this is a sleep mask. This is what I got as a complimentary for buying this Dot and Key PHA plus Bakuchiol Daily Peel. Okay. So I told you guys how you have to use that and what is the best time to use this kind of products. And if you are if you are into your 30s, do start using anti-aging products. So bakuchiol is a plant-based retinol which was used in Indian and Chinese medicine a long time back. But again, during these days, bakuchiol is used in many skincare products, which is a active ingredient but not a chemical ingredient. It says that it has the properties like retinol, which can treat fine lines, wrinkles, dead cells, pigmentations, and so on. So all these are actually treated by retinol. Retinol is a chemical ingredient which is rich in with vitamin A. It is actually a irritant because it is a very strong active. It can cause irritation. It can sting when you apply. So these are the drawbacks or the side effects of retinol. But bakuchiol doesn't have any kind of side effects like that. It has actually tested, but the result is not very proven, though this plant-based retinol is used in many products these days. But the change and the difference is not very prominent like retinol. Retinol is a proven ingredient to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and which shows up like a young skin. So that's how retinol works. But retinol is a very active chemical which is rich in vitamin A, but vitamin A is not present in bakuchiol. So this is how it works. So it doesn't irritate your skin. It doesn't have side effects. One drawback about retinol is once when you start retinol in your skincare, you have to move on. There is no coming back. Retinol is the active ingredient, like how once the skin gets used to that kind of texture and product, there's no coming back. You cannot switch back to your normal skincare routine where you don't use retinol. So you have to keep, once you start using retinol, it has to be in your skincare for the lifetime if you are using it. If you stop using it, again you can feel the differences on your skin. So that's how retinol works. But I always prefer products which has a lot of natural ingredients and plant derived ingredients. That's how I was very much excited to try this on. Yes, I tried this like around 15 days. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope the review on this new Dot and Key PHA Bakuchiol Daily Peel must have been useful. Try this out if you are looking for a very mild chemical exfoliation for your everyday basis. And people who are really looking forward to use retinol, just go mild on your skin and use bakuchiol on your skin and check out if really does work. I always prefer DIYs initially in my skincare routine, but these days my skin is not actually working for the DIY because I do have a mature skin now in my 30s. So I think I need a little more dosage on the skincare. So I am trying out products like Dot and Key and M-Caffeine and Plum, wherein they are using anti-aging products, which I personally wanted to try out. So I have already started my anti-aging skincare routine, and of course I do find my skin texture is not like before. It's soft though, but still the texture has changed and it needs lot of supplements from outside. And I don't think a DIY mask or DIY natural ingredients can really give that full dose of skincare. So I'm been trying out products which are dermatologically tested, vegan, sulfate and paraben free, because I personally trust on products which are clean can actually give a good performance compared to product which really has a blast of chemicals in it. So if you like my thought and you please do support me, and until next time, it's Zivia signing off. Ta-ra.